Hello, thank you for the invitations. Nice to meet you all. I'm an architect from Slovakia, Martin Ondrej, and I finished architecture and urbanism on Faculty of Art on Technical University in Košice. It's also my hometown. It's the second biggest town in Slovakia. I am also a skateboarder, and a skateboarder. Okay, so today I will present two architectural competition, which I attached and also was successful. The common things of both are revitalization of suburban areas with architectural experiments. So the first one is from living estate, housing estate. It's from communist era. That was built in my town after the 60s, 70s for workers from company metallurgical industries. This one is like 25,000 people. We are also European city of culture, so during this event there is a spot project who was the main idea of spot project is to reconstruct it, heat exchangers. There is a small buildings in the middle of the housing units. They are in very bad conditions because now the heat company doesn't need them all, like they need just the part. So the rest is very good for the using like for the community centers and involve the inhabitants to make something for their surroundings. As you can see, the shape is quite defined, and we don't have so much money, so we use these buildings as it is. So we use the hall, and we also use we fully use just the existing halls. So then we don't need to impact new building structure and this stuff. So it wasn't so expensive. You can see the green one is the space for activities, and the red one is still space for heating exchangers. So it's like cooperation. It's like two functions in one building. This is like for the first spot for skateboarding, because in my town it's not so common to have a covered space for public for skateboarding, because during the communism it was banned because it was like symbol of capitalism. And outside you can see a small spot like playground, because it was in the middle of housing estate, so the people doesn't like noise, so we have to design it smaller like normal skate park. Facade are designing for street art gallery, like for graffiti. Now is underway the workshop of Piecka. It's a community of writers, street artists in my town. They made every year a big street art communication festival. After this project, I joined to Fusion Architects. It's my studio with my friend who started it 2 years before. I joined it after finishing the school. So now we work together, and like Fusion, we attached another competition in Holland. It's about neighborhood, Woensel West in Eindhoven. The Trudeau is a housing corporation which made this competition in cooperation with Eindhoven city. This neighborhood belongs, like you can see, to the top 10 neighborhoods with the highest crime in Holland. There is a lot of nations, like immigrants. So, and is very close to the city. The main street, Edisonstraat, they choose 16 places for the making interventions, ideas, like to make it better there, to make it more welfare. So the red one is that spots. They clean it, like destroyed the old building there and make space for this intervention. These drawings prepare also Dider and Dirks Architekten. This is why we joined this competition, because we know there will be in jury also Bert Dirks. It's a very good architect. So the second one, more narrow. This is our place because they choose only 2 for the first competition. This is our project called Plugin. We have like idea that Wunsa West is like application, and we make like plugin to make it better, like to switch it to another level of surroundings, because surroundings depend on our thinking and lifestyle. The main idea is to make kinetic architecture from 3 cells. Every cell's moving in different angle, like maybe 70 degrees. You can see on the picture the change of the character, so they can show like everyday different character for the neighborhood. We want to fulfill with multifunctional things. So based on this competition, we made a connection with Bert Dirks and invited him to Košice to make seminar, which calls Transformations, Sites and Buildings. It was very interesting thing, because he talked maybe 1.5 hours about his projects. And also we showed him our project. He was very interested in it, and he looked at it very carefully, as you can see on the picture. This is a small cottage near our town, just from the wood, with green roof. Thank you very much.